I'm Dr. Pradeep Mahajan, a researcher in regenerative medicine and surgeon. Basically, today we are going to talk from StemRx platform about the thalassemia. Thalassemia is a blood disorder, genetic, rather brother-sister existing with the sickle cell disease or independently. If you see the number of population suffering with thalassemia with the genetic disease, it's in lakhs, more than 30-40 lakh population is there. These populations, because of genetic deficiency or problem or mutation in the protein which makes the hemoglobin, represents the disease of genetic disorder. This thalassemia is of different types: alpha, beta, delta. Now, thalassemia of various types depends on the protein which is genetically defect to produce the hemoglobin. Now, when this hemoglobin is not being manufactured, the patient represent more so with the anemia. The first primary presentation of this patient is anemia, and usually these patients, they require repeated IV transfusions of the blood, because heme molecule is fully loaded with the iron particles. The destruction of RBCs lead to the sedimentation or presentation of heme, that is iron, in the different organs in the body, and overload of iron may cause you damage to your various other organs, including eyes, including brain, liver, kidney, and various other infective procedures, and bones become brittle. So these are various presentations of the disease which can present. It may be a carrier or a major, as a minor or a major. Now, mostly it represents in the beta form than the alpha form. The carriers, if married to the carrier, it may represent in the new progeny with the thalassemia major. But if one is carrier and one is major, or one is normal in the pair, husband-wife, then the progeny may not show symptoms of thalassemia. 50% of them will represent the carrier only. So, looking at the presentation as a major and minor, we have to define the further progress of the disease. It may appear that the complications of the disease may lead to a criticality of the life, and the entire growth of the body is not to the mark with the parallel to other candidates of the same age children's. Now, the treatment part for this kind of thalassemia is chelation, for removing the overburden of iron which is deposited in the body, and that could be done by chelation using desfuroxamines, which is very important to reduce the chelate out the extra iron from the body. And repeated transfusions are required. But if you are looking for a definitive treatment for thalassemia, we need to go for bone marrow transplant with the HLA matching donors. If that is possible, then possibly the cure of thalassemia can be seen. But recent advances have come with the unmatched transfusions also, which can be done by eliminating alpha beta molecules from the blood circulation for beta cells from the circulation. That's a depletion, alpha beta depletion, they call it, right? So as to get the bone marrow transplant successful. The overall picture of thalassemia is increasing day by day because of mutations taking place in the heme molecule, and they are from generation to generation. But bone marrow transplant or social counseling of the patients during their marital marriages can also lead to some kind of the lineage chain of thalassemia disease can be broken, and the new generation can be of the disease. The furthermore, to see future research, and if you want to know more about thalassemia, you can please communicate to me on my email drpvmahajan@stemrx.in or Gmail, or otherwise my personal number 8898070904. Thank you for patient hearing.